This is my first full day in Taipei. I had an adequate breakfast at the Finder's Hotel. I walked from the hotel to the nearby Peace Park and through the gate. The quiet and relaxing park had many interesting statues. Pagodas. And a very modern cubist-looking peace memorial with a unique interior. There was another peace monument nearby incorporating a large temple bell. This monument appears unfinished at the top as a reminder that peace is an ongoing work for all people in society. The park also houses the National Taiwan Museum. The park had a large tented area to one side attached to the Park Fude Temple, where paper offerings, which are designed to be burnt for one's ancestors, such as dragon boats, were available. The smell of incense filled the air. People chanted. While musicians played a variety of instruments. To accompany the rituals taking place on stage. As I left the park, I saw a group of older men practicing Tai Chi. I walked past this interesting sculpture and fountain, then stopped for lunch at a local restaurant where I ate stir-fried pork with onions, stir-fried cabbage, stir-fried bean sprouts, and rice for lunch. I took the nearby Red Line Metro. The metro has lots of public art. To the Dr. Sun Yat-Sen Memorial Hall. The Memorial Hall is set in a park with many statues. The hall is famous for its changing of the guard ceremony, but was unfortunately closed for renovations when I was there. The plaza in front of the Memorial Hall was one of the few places where I had limited access to fly my drone. I walked past the Taipei Dome Sports Stadium. And saw something that is a rarity these days, payphones. I walked past the Taipei City Hall. Due to the upcoming Moon Festival, the sidewalks had lots of offering sellers. And even nearby street-side offering burners. Back in the metro, I came across a blind man playing a violin at a spot with great acoustics. I took the metro to the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial, where the metro entrance was beautifully decorated to match the walls around the memorial site. I walked to the front of the National Central Library. Which was right across the street from the Liberty Square Archway, with its iconic arches framing the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. On the right of Liberty Square is the National Theatre. Right next to that is a delightful park with a small lake and a traditional bridge. On the other side of Liberty Square is the National Concert Hall. At the far end of Liberty Square stands the imposing Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. I climbed the 89 steps, each representing 1 year of his life. To visit the interior of the monument. Afterwards, I visited the gift shop downstairs to get souvenirs for my friends. There was a light rain while I was inside, so I took advantage of that to get some more shots of the Liberty Gate with reflections. After an exhausting day, I stopped at Family Mart to pick up snacks and drinks before heading back to the hotel. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment.